Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your file manager or the zipper app you installed. Pick the exact files and folders you need compressed. Once done, verify total size and free storage so the process won't fail mid-run. Make sure to choose a compression level. Store for none, fastest for speed, or maximum for smaller output. This affects time and final size. You're already compressing. Now set the destination folder and a clear zip file name so you won't overwrite important data. You tap Compress or Create Archive and confirm the selection. Include subfolders when you need full folder structure preserved. Then pick Zip as the archive type because it's universally supported. Add a password or encryption only if you require security, since that increases processing time. While the app runs, watch the progress bar. If it stalls, close background apps and retry. If files are large, let the job finish uninterrupted so the archive writes correctly. And metadata, once the compression ends, you should immediately verify integrity by opening the zip or extracting one sample file to confirm readability. After that, move or upload the archive where it belongs and only delete originals once you've confirmed the zip works. This prevents accidental loss. If something goes wrong, check storage space, app permissions, and whether any file was locked by another app. Those are the usual causes. If needed, retry with a different compression level or a dedicated zipper app to resolve persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.